It will be necessary to change your cleaning cloth periodically depending on the size of your center. We will access the cleaning compartment, and the first thing we're going to do is remove the cleaning pencil tip. Make sure not to lose the spring. We're going to set this back into the compartment out of the way. Now our used roll on the take-up reel is on top. We're going to simply cut the old cloth away. Pull the top take-up reel out at an angle. We will take the remaining cloth out of the lane machine. With the old cloth out of the machine, it will be necessary to unwind it off of the PVC take-up reel until you get to the retainer clips that are on each end. Once the clips are off, unwind the rest of the cloth off of the two metal screws on the PVC roller. Before installing the new cloth, please remember to put the PVC stabilizer bar back inside of the roll. Now we're going to unwind about 2.5 feet of cloth before we put the new roll into the lane machine. We will flex the cloth over, getting the ends even, and go around the cushion roller. And then bringing the cloth straight up. We will lay that across our recovery tank and put the PVC take-up reel about half of the distance of the tank. Make sure that the cloth penetrates the screws and wind down about 1 turn. From that point, we will reinsert the clips that came with the duster cloth. Angle the cloth onto your plug and then on the other hub. From this point, we'll go to the duster control menu and wind up the additional cloth and reset the machine. With power applied to the machine, we're now going to depress the menu key until we access the system controlled duster menu. Now once here, we're actually going to use the start button on the handle of the lane machine to unwind and wind up cloth. Once the cloth has been wound up, we're going to check to make sure that we're taut equally from left to right. Then we would hit the next key, and this is going to allow us to go into the menu to reset our cloth. You notice the number 13 that is there. If we hit F6, that number will go back to 8. 8 is the original default number.